my friends, welcome back to Genuynenotions. So today I wanted to share a product with you that was sent to me from Amazon. The store is Teletrogy, and they sent this to me so I can share this with you guys. And these are some laundry bags for your shoes. So they're called washing machine bags, made specifically for your shoes. And so you're supposed to put one shoe in here. I mean, if the shoe's probably small, you can fit more than one, and you're supposed to put it in your dryer. So these are the bags. They bring two. So if your shoes are larger, you can put one in one, but that's what they're recommending, that you put one in one. They're very nice bags, and so they do have the zipper up here. And that is what it looks like in the inside. So these are supposed to help rub onto the shoe or the sneaker and clean it up really nicely. A lot of space in there. So if the shoes are like little kids' shoes, you can definitely put two in one. And so it does come two-piece. Again, the store is I'm gonna put it on the screen. Teletrogy, and it's on Amazon. These are for the price of $24.99 right now. Definitely, I feel like you can definitely use this for other things besides shoes. Definitely play around with it and see what you can put in here. Little particles and things like that you don't want damaged. You can definitely try it and see if you can use these. So you can use it for more than one thing. So these are the bags that they sent me. Really nice bags. So I do have my daughter's sneaker here that I bought. I just want to see her shoes are not that big, so I just want to see how they fit in here. She's about a 6, and these are I actually washed those a few months ago. She still hasn't worn them, so you see that there's a lot of space in there. So with her shoe, I could probably fit two. I mean, I think they recommend that you put one, that way when it's tumbling in your machine, this fiber here is able to wrap around your sneaker or your shoe and clean it really well. That's why they're recommending that you put one. But again, you can try it with two and see. But I feel like for little kids, tiny shoes, you can definitely put two in one. So yeah, very nice. I'm gonna try them out. I wonder if these would have came out cleaner. I did clean these with, with brushes and things like that. Took off the shoelace. So I wonder if it would have came out clean if I would have used something like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this website on the screen so you could check it out. But definitely go check them out. They do have these in different colors if you're interested. For things like this, the color doesn't really bother me. I would pick whatever color is available. But I know some people like specific things, so you can definitely look at the website, and there's a little video there that shows how you can do this. You can use it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure you'll figure it out. But just look at the video. They also have other items in the store that if you're interested, you can purchase. So yes, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. I will put the link for this item down below. Again, you will find it in the store Teletrogy through Amazon, and it's $24.99. So thank you for joining me today. All the information for this item will be in the description box below. Thanks again. God bless and have a great day.